Hey guys, it's Elena, and I'm here with Donnie, but we're not playing together. So this is Will You Press the Button? Of course you know about it, but this is on a phone, so it looks pretty weird. Okay.
That's why I don't want to go, because I take pictures and shit.
So, I don't know, I just like... It's pretty... I mean, like, it's not like it's like Disneyland stuff, but like... Yeah, so anyway, Will You Press the Button? Let's go ahead and see. Okay, so Google gives everyone free internet, okay? But Apple goes out of business.
Yeah.
Shut up, not you. What?
Free internet, and then Apple. Who cares about Apple?
Well, I mean, like, I like Apple, but like, it's not like a real big part of my life, so
Yeah, Samsung is good or not.
So, I guess I will not press, I will press the button. Wait. I'm not sure how to read these. Okay. So you have pressed the button. Oh, yes! Most of the people... Dang it, I wish I could do a Bean Boulder challenge while we're doing this, but like, you can't see me, so I can't do it.
Why?
I don't know. So, did you enjoy this dilemma? Let's see the comics. This is a win-win in my mind. I ate the apple.
What the heck?
Apple, fuck. Wait, Apple, fuck Apple, fuck free internet.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
It says fuck Apple, free internet.
Oh.
He agrees with us. Alright, so I guess I like that one.
Apple still cost a lot.
Oh, okay. So, you would have all the money you desire. Ooh. But you will never know love.
No.
No, I would not press the button.
You would not?
Yeah, I would not press the button. So... Yeah, people agree with me. Oops, what is that? Get out of my face. What the heck is happening? Oh, wow. Who needs love when you have sex? I'm not sure if I'm supposed to show that to the internet.
What?
It said that. Can I?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So anyways. Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh. Sorry. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh, what's that? Oh my god. Okay.
What is that, comments?
No, it's the question. In the next 6 months, the girl or boy of your dreams will fall in love with you. You will have a practically perfect relationship for the rest of your life. If you want kids, a stubborn house, a family, pet, any of the popular domestic trappings, those things will come to you exactly how you imagined. If you don't want those things, your partner won't want them either. Okay. But you become a non-exclusive pedophile. What's a pedophile? What? What's a pedophile? Oh. Oh, okay. So you become a non-exclusive pedophile. You will still be attracted to adult women / men as well as kids, but you must bear this secret until you are dead. You cannot tell your partner, or else she or he will be horrified and leave you forever.
The other one.
What do you mean the other one?
The other one.
What do you mean the other one?
The one where he says your crush will love you or something.
You can't pick between the two. You have to either press the button or not press the button. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna press it. 48 people pressed that button?
Stupid.
Oh my god.
48% or 48 people?
48%, I mean. And 52% didn't. Oh my god. Okay, did you enjoy that dilemma? No, I did not. Damn these stupid things. What's guys? So anyway, I think that we would be leaving for now because my will you press the button has stopped, but I will make other videos about that. And there's Johnny there.
Oh, hi.
Oh god, no, I don't want to take a video or whatever. What are you doing to me? Stop! Stop it!